Welcome back guys to a brand new tutorial. In today's video we're going to add a playlists model in our Spotify MP3 player clone using Django and Python. Alright, in the previous video we added a functionality to log in, log out and register new users. And now in this video we're going to use that users so they can have their own playlists and they can add those songs we have on the homepage. They can add them to their playlist and play the music there. So in this video we'll just create a playlists model so we can in the later videos create a functionality. When they click a button they can create a new playlist and also add the songs they want. Alright, so head over to our models.py and let's start writing the code. So just below this song model we'll also create a model called playlist. And also we need to pass this models.model so the Django knows this is a model for our database. Now for the fields we'll just create a name field of this playlist so the users can name their playlist. For example, this one is for work, this one for training, this one is for programming and other stuff. So that's the field we're going to create. So that will be a character field, since you just want to type like 50 characters maximum to describe what this playlist is about. So let's just put that by max length of 50 characters, or I'll put 100. And now we also need a user model. Now why we need that? That is because different users want to have their own playlists. Now for example, admin user wants to have its own work playlists, and the team user we created in the previous video wants to have its own playlist. So yeah, that's why we need users to differentiate the playlists to each user. So you can just type right here user equals models.foreign key, and this foreign key thing, it just connects two models to each other. So this playlist model will be connected to that user model we need to import right now. I'll import it from the views, we have it right here. So you see we are connecting our playlist model with this user model. And we also need to specify a onDelete method. Now what is that? That just means how our playlists model will react when the user is deleted. So for example, if I pass right here onDelete method as models.cascade, this just means when I delete a user from the database, for example, I go to my admin dashboard and delete the team user. If he has some playlists on his name, also those playlists will delete itself. So yeah, that's the thing we need to specify, or else we're going to get an error. So, and also we need a related name. Now what is this? This just helps us reference this field from the user model. So we'll use this just in the views. You don't need to worry about this. I'll talk about it when we use it actually in the code. So now we can call this playlists. Yeah, that is a good name. And now we also need a song field so we can actually add the songs to our playlists. So let's just do that by typing song equals models.many-to-many field, and specify the song model right here and also the related name of also playlists. Okay, so what is this many-to-many field? This one means many playlists can have many songs. So for example, admin user can have 2 playlists on his name and he wants to have many songs on those playlists, right? You don't want to make a playlist that has only one song. So many playlists can have many songs. That is everything you need to know. And also we'll have a str method right here. Str, delete this thing, and I'll put this in a f string and display name of this, self.name, and also who is it associated with, self.user. Yeah, I think we did everything. Now I will make migrations and push them to the database. So go to our terminal and just type right here. Now again, you can use those arrow keys on your keyboard to, yeah, specify the previous messages. So you can just delete this one and type make migrations, and also migrate, and that's it. Now we can run the server again and register it to the admin website. So we called it playlist. We need to import it right here also. Yeah, I think we did everything. Now we can go inside of our admin dashboard and find our playlist model in our main models. Click on it, and now we can add a playlist. So we'll call it programming. It will be associated with admin user, and we'll add 2 songs. Now if you try to do it yourself, you'll probably see something like this with only one selected, but you can select multiple by holding Control on your keyboard. So hold Control and then click on another one. So now we can click save right here, and that's it. We have the programming playlist with associated with user, and also that has these 2 songs. Now we can also add another one also to user called training, and I'll just put funky because it is more, you know. Yeah, save it. Later on we'll add more songs, but or I'll do it in the background so you don't need to watch that because you already saw that. So yeah, we have those 2. Now let's one for the team user. I'll call it what else can I do? Work. Did I put work already? No, I put programming, and yeah, we'll put heroes tonight from now. And yeah, we have 2 playlists that are associated with admin user and one with the team user. If you like this video, make sure to check out the pinned comment of this video. I made you a free PDF guide on how to help you pass the beginner stage and escape the tutorial hell. And also, I have got another great video right here on the screen. Make sure to check it out, and I'll see you in that one.